how to change join me setting in Roblox. So first what you want to do is just open up your Roblox. So this will be the same, either be it the phone, mobile, iPad, or your PC laptop. So make sure just go to your settings right here on the top right. So this is for PC, then click on settings. And once you are on your settings, just make sure that you go to privacy. Then scroll down a little till you see the other settings option right here. And here you will see who can join me in experiences. You just simply need to click on the drop down menu right here. And now you will have options to set it to everyone, to friends, users I follow and my followers, friends and users I follow or friends. And if you want no one to join you in your experience, just simply click on no one right here. That will automatically save, and now you can just go back and play whatever game that you want. And that's how you basically change the join me setting in Roblox.